This tasty paalada is mainly made on Eid mornings and served with spicy chicken or beef masala. It can also be served as an evening snack by adding grated coconut and sugar. To make this paalada, take 1 cup maida, 2 whole eggs, a cup of regular cow's milk or coconut milk. Add a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder for a good flavor. Mix it well without lumps. Add enough water to make a loose batter. The batter should be thin than normal dosa batter. Heat a non-stick tawa. In case normal tawa is used, add some butter and then add the batter. Pour the batter carefully in the center and spread it with the back of the ladle just like normal dosa. It should be very thin. Keep it in low flame. When it starts to leave the tawa, flip it over and slow cook the other side. This can be served with spicy chicken curry for breakfast. If it's given for kids, spread butter in the paalada and sprinkle sugar and fold it twice and serve it hot. It's a yummy breakfast or as a quick evening snack. If you like my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. See you soon with another video.